Exclusive new details on a story Western Mass News has been following for more than a year now. The search for justice in the murder of Joe Ringer.
And Laura Riley faces 2 counts of misleading a police officer in this case. She was supposed to be in court today, but all that changed last night.
Western Mass News reporter Caroline Powers spoke exclusively to Joe Ringer's friends about this delay in the case. Caroline?
Frustration, Dave and Beth. That is the word that Joe Ringer's friends used to describe the legal process they've been going through while trying to bring justice to their friend who was murdered more than 18 months ago. Her body found in a wooded area nearly 1 year after she went missing.
It's not fair. It's, we're looking for justice and we feel like we're just being met with injustice at every turn.
Ginger Plantier tells Western Mass News that she planned on making the drive out to Pittsfield today. Laura Riley, the ex-girlfriend of Ringer's now deceased husband, who was considered a suspect in the murder, was scheduled to be in Berkshire Superior Court this afternoon.
And that didn't happen because, once again, it was canceled.
Ginger says Liz Keegan, the director of victim assistance with the Berkshire District Attorney's Office, told them yesterday evening Laura Riley decided to change her plea.
It wears us down. It's so discouraging. It's, it's like every time we take a step forward, we take 2 steps back. And literally, we were thinking that one way or another, we would have closure on the entire thing today. And now we're right back to, we have to schedule a final pretrial hearing because she's not pleading guilty. She's pleading not guilty again.
Springfield defense attorney Jared Olenoff says this behavior by a defendant isn't uncommon.
It's common for a person to go back and change their mind, but eventually, a judge will say, "Look, we've had enough delay in this case. We're going to give you a set date to come back and to do this case, and on that date, you'll have to really make your final decision as to whether it's going to be a plea or there's going to be a trial."
As for Joe Ringer's friends and family, they say the delays in the case have encouraged them to fight harder.
I think that us members of Team Joe and #JusticeForJoe are going to redouble our efforts to do everything we can to make sure Joe's name stays out there, Joe's case stays active, and people know that this isn't going away.
I did reach out to Laura Riley's attorney today, but have not heard back. A new hearing date has not been set yet. In the studio tonight, I'm Caroline Powers for Western Mass News.